This is how to fix the error code 9U233 on your Worcester Bosch boiler. If it's displaying an error code, it simply means there's something wrong with your boiler. With the Greenstar 30i system boiler, this problem is likely caused by installing the wrong heat control module, HCM. This is either because the HCM is loose in your boiler or the wrong control box has been installed. First, let's try resetting your boiler. If the error is still showing after you've pressed reset, then we'll need to look a little deeper, and this isn't something you can fix here. For more advice or to arrange a visit straight away from one of our Gas Safe Registered engineers, just click the Get in Touch link below. If the error code is no longer showing, it may still be worth looking at the root cause. If you haven't had a service in the last 12 months, then we would advise booking a visit through the link below, as this may help to identify the original issue and avoid any further damage to your boiler.